check this out. Hey, we need one more. Drip, I need you to get one more. I need you to get one more out there right now. While we play this song, get you one more. Get you one more.
My bitch is shipping cocaine. Oh my God. We want to turn up. Oh my God.
I need you to get one more out there. Come on.
Boy, pretty, she can't ride with me. If she ain't got ass, I don't wanna smash. Real still shit, I don't wanna pass. Just fucking killer. Yo, bitch look like Thriller. Yes, sir, another for Willa. I know a nigga real. Took her out to eat. Fucked her on the river.
Hey, let me see if you know this though. I know you know it. Let me see if you know this though.
He's crack, baby. The streets, nigga. I got my whole life and I ain't never pushed a clock. 9 years old, I seen a nigga get shot. Damn. Pussy ass nigga telling on his own fat pussy. And what you want? But you chase some bitches. Then make boss moves. You got the other source in the bitch in law school.
No matter what,
Same bitches trying to shit, set you up.
out here in these streets, there ain't no such thing as love. That's the thing I trust. This thing is slow.
Real nigga shit, only when I do the street. He a fucking lead. I ain't got shit for a nigga.
Zay got the motherfucking bass
dropping.
Y'all got the motherfucking trap jumping. Doors to the trap open, now I say something. Hell no, don't ask, I ain't putting nothing. I fucked your bitch and told her I see you around. Dog just get a town with 200,000. Dog just bought an 8 and a 2-liter pop. That's a addicted to the streets just like a dog. Addicted to hustling, I can't stop.
Won't stop, can't stop.
Never heard me complain about what I ain't got. What we say? If I want it, I'ma go get it.
For my nigga, yo, bitch.
Got people around
Set it on the whole team.
same nigga you getting high with, he really your enemy. Every day niggas cross their partners out for business.
Keep it real with you, though, no matter what.
Paper out.